Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to 2024. It's a little bit cold here today. We're going to do something a bit different today for 2024. We're going to kick off the year and show you some floor mats by a brand called MAXpider. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased these myself, and I wanted to show you how they fit in a 2024 Toyota Tundra. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, thanks a lot for stopping by. Consider subscribing. We've got a ton of stuff for you in 2024. If you find that this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up. We would very much appreciate it. It helps the channel tremendously. So let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, this is a 2024 Toyota Tundra Limited. And the factory provides what they call kind of their upgraded mats. And so as you can see, they're really nice. However, they are a bit thin. And as usual with factory mats, they don't really protect from the elements. I think we could do a whole lot better. So what I did was I went online and I looked at a company called MAXpider. I'll leave a link below for you to take a look at those particular floor mats. Remember, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to make sure and show you an additional option that you have for your Toyota Tundra. So the MAXpider has a rubber material on the outside, has a bit of a foam piece in the middle, and then it has on the back side some material that sticks extremely well to the factory carpeting. So these will not move around, and of course you can see the sides of them actually will hold in any of the elements that we have when we get in and out of the car. And the one thing that really attracted me to these was they look nice, and they actually retain a lot of the way that the factory carpet mats look like. However, they provide me the protection. So let's do this. Let's get the old factory floor mats out. I'll put in the MAXpider mats, and we'll do a real quick look to see what you think. All right, and just like that, we're done. So let's take a look. It took just a bit of time because the material that's on the back of the mats, it almost acts like Velcro to the carpet and the floor. It's not Velcro. It's just a special material that they have at this specific brand. And so if you're familiar with some of the other plastic floor liners that are out there, those seem to slide around. Of course, some of them have nibs on the bottom to hold it down. This holds it down substantially more. And I tell you, the look looks amazing. So let's take a look. All right, let's start with the passenger side. That's the first one we installed. So one thing I noticed is look at the contour. It's set perfect to the interior of the 2024 Toyota Tundra. And look here, nice protection up over the sill here. And of course, there's a divot, so any of the water or rocks or anything you have is going to fall down here. The other thing I noticed is take a look here. Some nice caps to cap off where the attach points are. Let's take a look at the back. Same thing. Lift up the seats so you can see how close it comes. Look at that. Then we'll go around to the other side and I'll show you the driver's side. One thing you should notice is look at the driver's dead pedal. Protection goes all the way to the top. And then look behind the gas pedal. There's a significant amount of coverage back there as well. And just like that, we're done. So you can see how well those 3D MAXpider mats fit in a 2024 Tundra. One of the things that really was notable was the way that they look compared to some of the plastic floor liners that you see out there. These have a great texture, almost a carbon fiber look. I'll leave the link in the description below in case you want to get a set for yourself. And until next time, thanks a lot. We'll see you again soon.